people. Unusual night. Did everyone have an unusual night?
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, baby. It reflects my stomach and bowel movements, people. See that? That sums up my bowel movements. Oh, see down there? That's my bowel movements. Yeah, are you having breakfast or dinner? Maybe don't watch the next few minutes. We ate a suspect curry, people. And the poor new crew got subjected to it. Do you feeling alright? You got a hangover or? Because you know when you get dehydrated?
Kind of depleted.
Yeah.
I'm just drinking electrolytes?
Yeah, electrolytes?
Yeah, electrolytes, yeah.
You're welcome, ladies. This has happened, I don't know, twice in the last 4 years on this boat. And you got to experience on your first night. Yeah. You feel privileged?
Yeah.
Yeah. You're
Pretty.
welcome, Steffi. You're welcome.
Thanks.
So, never before has the toilet been pumped so much, people. Never before. If that seal goes on that, I think there'll be a mutiny. Anyway, we're waiting for the veggie guy and we need to get fruit, I guess, into it. As much fruit as possible for the next hour, I reckon. Otherwise you get you get a headache. Anywho, it's a nice topic, isn't it? Who wants to change the topic?
So I saw some pelicans.
Ah, did they have the shits too?
No, they were just...
they were just doing their thing?
They're just doing their thing.
Hey,
Maybe
hang on,
fishing
didn't
or
you just
shit.
have your hair done yesterday?
Yeah, I did.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
And you take it out during the night?
No, I took it out when I was washing it.
Ah.
Yeah, to wash out
Washing
the
it?
sand.
What concept is that? Washing your hair? Really?
Yeah, you know the thing you do
No.
when you pour water
Really?
on top of your head?
I just dive in, people, and the great velocity cleans it all out. James from Zingaro's over there. I don't know what's happening, but we've got to wait for Veggie Guy first and then we can make a plan. But it tasted good, didn't it?
Yeah.
It was bloody. It was really nice.
Yeah.
You know why it was really nice? Because it was probably pre-digested with the bacteria. The bacteria was pre-digesting it for us, and we're going, this is so nice.
Oh no.
Your stomach
don't say
muscles
that.
hurting, are they?
When you say that, they
Yeah.
kind of go like, ooh.
Yeah, okay. Well, as I said, you're welcome, ladies. You're welcome. Sign of things to come. You've only got another month or two of this. We're editing, and guess what the conversation has turned back towards?
So now Peter is talking about the 5-star fish curry dinner.
Yeah, it was 5-star.
It was 5-star.
5-star diarrhea madness. Maybe 10-star, really.
It tasted so good.
It was.
And that's why we ate extra much. We did for dinner as well. So
I was actually, people, I was surprised. We ate a lot for lunch, and there was a lot there. It was like 2.5 kilos, or probably more.
it was a whole Tupperware box.
And the girls, went for more. Wow, because it was good.
Yeah. No.
Don't eat it, girls.
Don't
have that extra mouthful.
No.
We know what happens.
You don't need that much. No.
Look how much you're eating.
No, you know. You're telling us to put in more.
Well, sorry about that. I didn't know it was off.
Oh no. I'm sad for them.
Who loves sailing into freedom now? Have a look.
Wow.
Come on in.
The storm was coming fast and Elio, the fruit guy, wanted to escape the rain. He provides a great service and he makes a killing.
Disculpa español poco. And poco. And poco.
Ahí. 5 libras.
Excellent.
¿Está bien?
Papas, 5 libras. You can put the pineapples on the floor. This is amazing, people. I know more Spanish than my crew. This is crazy.
Is that the first time?
Yeah. and I know nothing. Alright, we got lots of pineapples and fruit and veggies. We're going to go off for 2 weeks.
Ciao.
Ciao, amigos.
Okay, gracias.
Bye. All right, let's go. All right, so what do we do, girls? For starters, because everyone's had the runs, you usually lose a lot of potassium. So bananas are good for potassium. So everyone, let's eat a banana, and that'll get some stuff into us. You got to get rid of all the every little bad bit, otherwise it'll just go off. See that little bit down there? Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. So only green stuff. Because when you put in the oil, you don't want it. If it's soft, it's about to go bad, it'll wreck the whole batch. So best to be ruthless and have less than a whole bad batch. How's your head?
My head?
Yeah.
After you kicked me in the face?
Yeah, basically. Well, it wasn't technically the face, it was more the forehead, right?
Okay, yeah, I was coming out.
Yeah, I know.
Climbing the ladder, and then I got like kicked in the face.
That's pretty much. Yeah, sorry about that. Because usually I grab the top of the Dodger and I just catapult myself inside. And I went to get the money, and well, she was coming back out. Oops.
It's still the same plant.
Yeah.
Like before, so.
Yeah, just keep on going.
Yeah.
Takes time. It does take time, but hey, coriander in food is magnificent. Sorry.
And Magnifico.
Magnifico.
I tell you guys that I don't love coriander in my food.
You don't?
You don't? Really?
You do or you don't?
I don't.
Well, did you put that in your application?
Oh, did you ask?
Yes, it's implied.
It's
implied.
Now you can leave the boat.
$100 litres per hour. We've got a lot of rubbish coming along. That's going to be great. Tank's going to be full. I'm going to go do the washing. Oh well, rinsing really. Don't want to wash things. Jeez, people. Don't want to give you the wrong impression. Oh, lightning. Going good. Keep me on my toes. Me and God are mates, people. Oh, the dam's full. This has been soaking for about 2 days now. Well, it hasn't been good weather, people. There's nothing wrong with a good soak. You're getting a good soak right now. All the bacteria going, no! No, people, I'm not naked. Well, I'm taking the opportunity. There's no one around. I need to clean everything, okay? Got to clean everything. Every part of me. This is part of my finishing school. Alright, done. Now to do a whole heap of editing. We've got a lovely salad prepared by the girls. So how's things, girl? You got any questions? You scared about the thunder, the storm, or the electricity around?
Yeah,
The electricity, people. There's lots of electricity. Oops, sorry. Go on. Yep.
Yeah, but what do you do when lightning strikes your boat?
When lightning strikes? Well, there's two things you can do. If it strikes you, you need to spontaneously explode into 1,000 pieces.
Right. Okay.
If it strikes the boat, I've had some past experience with this, people. But if it hits you, you're pretty well buggered. Mostly.
Okay.
So, try not to get hit in the first day. Or actually, maybe you should write down all your next of kin details just in case. And then I can send them the ashes too. See, I've actually saved them some money. It's an all-round service I provide, people. You've got a will. How old are you?
19.
19. And you've already got a will. Why do you have a will for?
If I die, just
Yeah.
in case, so
But
if I, yeah.
do you do silly things, do you?
Yeah. I'm
Excellent.
stupid.
Really?
Yeah.
You do stupid things.
What
Yeah.
kind of?
You'll fit well on this boat. I do lots of stupid things too. Maybe we could synergize our stupidity and create a potpourri of, you know, mayhem and disaster, people.
Or maybe your stupidity
Useless.
will cancel each other out.
What, two wrongs make a right?
Yeah.
I don't think the viewers want to see that. I think the viewers want to see the mayhem. What do you think, viewers? You can write in. Yeah, it's possible.
No. I
You-
don't think it's just gonna be pretty chaotic. So like.
It'll be
choose-
chaotic, won't it? Yeah, pretty much. So you've got a will. Excellent.
Yeah.
All
I
right.
did.
Top stuff. What about you? You got a will?
No, I don't think that far ahead.
Top stuff, people. Do you do silly things, Katrina?
Well, I'm here. Aren't I?
Oh, there, yeah. True, true. All right.
Just offended you.
That's the first one. That's okay. That's the first silly thing, but that's okay. Sometimes it's good to walk into the lion's den just to see what it's like. I mean, how many people have walked into a lion's den? I mean, you'd say, oh, there's a cage, there's a lion, but you haven't really experienced until you walk into the den. No?
Mm-hmm.
That's life, people. It's living.
Yeah. Don't give me a camera. The sounds I make are so weird.
I'm crying.
This is how the magic is made, people. The boat's currently, we lost all power, so the motor's running to try and charge up the systems, but it's going to be hopeless. It'll last an hour and then we'll have to have the motor on again. This is a 5-hour motor day. Crazy.